gulfsteam 100, I believe, and taking off for Fort Lauderdale, so this will be real serious, like real Haiti.
Aaron, you like this park?
Yes.
This is a nice park. It's here in Fort Lauderdale. It's in Griffin Road, and you can watch the airplanes take off.
Mhm.
And we're gonna watch one take off right now. Looks like a private jet.
So yeah, we're gonna start taking off this gulfsteam 100. It's unknown.
What do you think he's waiting for?
There's not even a single plane taking off. I mean landing.
What do you think he's waiting for?
I don't know. It seems kind of stupid. We're just waiting for this one to take off. What is that plane all the way? So, yeah. Okay, it's taking off. Alright, it's time to take off.
What type of airplane is that?
A Gulfstream 100.
Gulfstream 100.
Not again. Oh, there we go.
Keep going. There we go.
Nice takeoff. Alright, we're going to the other runway. There seem like no other planes are going to take off or land. Only the Gulfstream 100 did take off, so we have to go to the other way. Alright, so we're going to the other runway where a lot of airplanes go. Look, I think I just saw American Airlines. Well, I wouldn't wish. But we're gonna be ready to go to the other runway. All right, we're going to a right turn, so you can like, we're going off the bridge. Oh damn. Skyscrapers.
This is the other side of the airport. We've got a marina right here.
Alright.
Some more planes taking off.
Beautiful. You have some other planes in here, just sitting here. A school bus.
That's not a school bus.
Never mind.
That's the airport bus.
How is this gonna be an airport bus?
That take?
We have a random plane.
You can't see it either.
I know. But anyways, we're ready for our destination. Why was that so bumpy?
This is
I hope you get.
This is the Naval Air Station for Lauderdale Museum.
Ooh, a museum.
Yes.
And I don't know what these bombs are. Was that Breeze Airways? Airlines?
Look, there is the other side of the airport here.
Yeah.
We have arrived.
Let's go.
What plane is that?
All giant.
Look.
Ooh, Breeze. All giant. An airplane is coming. And we're gonna try to hold this delta. Or we have a private jet landing. No wonder what it is.
That's called the roof layer.
What plane is this? Oh, it's a bomber. That's a Bombardiro Challenger 650 or 600. I don't know. course the truck is better. Why would it? The truck will be better. Did it use? Nice. I don't know what that plane is. Sir. Damn, that plane's going so fast. That plane's going so fast. I have no idea.
Just move.
It's always jiffy. Let's see how it touched down. This plane is waiting for some kind of random private jet, I guess. Just waiting for it. So here it comes. As a wish. I don't know what this plane is. Alright, this plane's ready. This Delta airline is going so fast. Buddy will take off. I think this is JetBlue, I don't know. Could be JetBlue.
That's a song in my eye, but that is JetBlue again.
Oh. That's the Airbus AC-21. Don't just hit that swing. It looks like Delta is about to take off. This is the ACT tower, I guess.
And what are those? What are they talking to? Yeah, who are they talking to?
This random all giant. This random all giant.
Right.